Hey everyone, check out the Urban Deco Bike Repair Stand, a sturdy wall-mounted solution for all your bike maintenance needs. This stand is fixed with 4 screws, ensuring a stable and secure installation that's quick and easy. Its flexible 360-degree swivel clamp lets you hold your bike at any angle, making repairs comfortable and efficient. Built with durable iron, it supports up to 20 kilograms, perfect for road bikes, mountain bikes, and e-bikes alike. The adjustable height design fits various bicycle frames, so you can work on different bikes with ease. Plus, its space-saving wall mount keeps your workspace organized and clutter-free. Whether attached to walls, workbenches, or pillars, this stand is an essential tool for every bike enthusiast. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.